Todd from Specialist Machinery. We've been partnering with Stierli-Bieger for some time, and I'd like Thomas to show how this beam rotator machine works. I absolutely love this. We all know that the Australian and New Zealand labour is very expensive. These arms fold open, okay? So you can drop your beam in, and then your beam, Thomas is on the controller, your beam can come up and down. You can put it at the 45 degree, fantastic for full penetration welding, of course. I love it when customers on efficiency, but they certainly know their weld deposition rate. If you have a fast welding unit here, you can really put a lot of weld down now, and without putting heat through your beam, because you can swap and transfer and rotate. These two twin rotators move out for different size beams. Not only beams, some really great welded constructions have been in this. The safety guy loves it. What you'll find is the 50-year-old welder like me, he's going to go, hey, I've done my hard labour, podging bars over. He will feel it like it's a punishment if you're taking him off this, relegating him off this machine. 30 to 40% weld on, more welding. This really suits the Zeman for weld out. It's great for inspections. It's fantastic for safety. You should hear one fabricator in New Zealand. All you need to do is give him a ring. He said, oh, Todd, I think I buy one container load. Thomas fortunately had it in stock. And depending on the mix of machines, because they can be 600, 1 metre or 1500. He wanted 1 metre and two 600s. He said, let me product test it, let me get my culture right. I said, gee, I reckon, Thomas once said to me, two things happen. Fabricator, he works in 2 shifts. He'll buy another set of container load within 3 months. He'll buy another container load within 6 months because he's got a complete payback. And then that's generally about all they will purchase. And he did it within 3 months. He said, Todd, the safety guy, the foreman, me, the whole culture loved it. And people were complaining that they didn't want to do it the old way. And guys, one thing I love about this machine, and the biggest thing that we should think about, every fabricator likes selling heavy steel, because if you're making 20% margin on your steel, this is where the money is. And if you can now do this 40% faster, you've improved your schedule by 40%, you've improved your cost by 40%, and if you just put man hours to one side here, the amount of steel that you can now push through, put all the young fellas on the 250, the 310 H-beam, put the old guys like me on this machine, get them welding out nice and quickly. That's where the money is, by selling more fabricated steel. Really looking forward to speak to you more about this. We've got great websites. Thomas is always available, but there's so many references in Australia and New Zealand. Speak out. Thomas is a shy guy, but he's good to have a beer with and a coffee. You'll love him, and we'll speak soon. Thanks so much for now.
Thank you very much.